Hey guys, this is Dwayna aka Glamazon1026 and you are entering the Glam Room. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for clicking on this video. I have something really special for you. I am going to take you on a journey. I want you to come along and ride on a blend-tastic journey where we will review the Violet Voss Pro Hashtag palette. I just received this in the mail and I am itching. Well, I was itching to use it. I did use it, and this is what we came up with. So if you want to be with me on this blend-tastic journey, you just gotta stay tuned. Just sit down, pull up a chair, get some popcorn or a brownie, and stick around and watch. See what we come up with. Well, you see what we come up with. You want to see how this happened? Stay tuned. I picked up the Violet Voss Pro Hashtag palette during the April Sephora VIB sale. What drew me to this palette were the colors. It looks like a sunset that I had seen in like Aruba or something. Take a look at this. This is gorgeous. I had been looking for a palette with like plums and purples and all of that stuff. I really wanted the Natasha Denona Lila palette, but I wasn't spending $129 for that. So I said, you know what, I will get the Violet Voss palette because they have kind of similar shades and I feel like I could use that in place of the Natasha Denona and spend a fraction of the price. This is $45 for 20 shades and it has about 12 or so glitters. I mean, not glitters, shimmers. They have 5 base colors up here, which is really, these up here are all mattes. This one right here is a matte. This one looks like a matte. And then the rest of them look like they are shimmers mixed with like satins. So I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited to see what we bring up. One thing that I really like about this palette is the fact that, well, first of all, we love us a mirror. We stand a mirror because having a mirror in the palette, it just makes it so easy. You can just put it on and like just look at the palette and look at the mirror and make sure that everything is good to go and whatever and what have you, and then that's great. I also like the fact that the names are on the actual palette, so I don't have to go looking like, oh, which one am I using? What does it look like? Blah, 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 whatever, what have you. And there's not that little flappy thing, because I usually tear those out and throw those away. I don't care about that. It did come with this thing, but I usually throw these away too. So if the shadow color names came on this, I wouldn't know what the hell they were. I would just say, I'm using this purple color, I'm using this plum color, now we're gonna use this berry color, and that's it. So thankfully, they're already up there, so I can tell you I'm using Goat today. Oh, I think that's greatest of all time. So I'm gonna get ready to swatch some of these so that you can see the color and the pigmentation, and then we'll get into the look, and then at the end I'll give you my review whether or not you should go out and purchase this Violet Voss Hashtag Pro palette. So let's get into these swatches. I am going to swatch Lady Boss, FOMO, TBT, and Life. Oh, sorry, you can't see Life. Life is down there. So, oh, these are gorgeous on my fingers. Let's see how they swatch on the back of my hand. So this is Lady Boss. Ooh, very nice. FOMO. I like that color a lot. This is TBT. Okay. And then this is Life. That one's a different type of pigment though. But I think that it will be buildable. I definitely think it's going to be buildable. Let me swatch some of the mattes now. Those were like the satins and the shimmers. Ooh, almost dropped it. Let's swatch a matte, a few mattes. In between my fingers, BRB. So next, we are going to swatch Goals, Goat, ILY, and Sauce. Sauce, I don't think that's going to show up on me very well. That might be a nice brow bone color, but that's about it. We have Goals. This is awkward AF. Goat, ILY. This one is Sauce. Oh, okay. There's a little pigment there. Okay, it's a little different from me. Well, those are the only 8 that I am swatching today because we're starting to swatch all 20 shadows. Alright guys, you know the deal. We are always zoomed in, and so I need you to be kind to my board. I'm gonna start with a brush. Oh, I gotta put down a what's it called? A base, a concealer base. Like, what am I doing? Who am I? Do you like my brows? They're a different shape today. I like them a lot. I'm going to go in with Savage right up here. This orange color that is going to be my first transition color. I'm putting that between my brow bone and my crease. With that same brush, you see there's a line here. I don't like that line, so I'm gonna go in with Sauce right above the brow bone to see if that will blend in better up here. Okay, so we'll just take a little bit on that and blend it above the brow bone just to take that harsh line away. I don't know, it was just staring at me in the face. I didn't like it at all. I'm swirling around in the pan and there's not that much kickback either. Violet Voss might have a winner on her hands. She might, it might be great. I'm using that same brush to go in with Goals, and that is just like a deeper color of the Savage. And so that's just going to deepen my upper crease area. I want it to pop, but not, oh yep, that's what I needed to do, is doing what I needed to do. Thank you, Goals. So I'm using my MAC 217 to go into TBT, which is this one right down here. I'm gonna put that directly in the crease. So we have a nice purple to blend out our orange with. I want this purple to pop. I also want the orange to pop, so I'm gonna put some more orange on top of this so that it looks like BAM in your face. I'm gonna try something. It might mess it up, but I wanna try it. I'm gonna take a little bit of that black. Just a tiny little bit of ILY. Just a little bit. This looks like a decent black, so I'm just going to put it in the corners to kind of help this a little bit. Oh yeah, that's what I want. Just a smidge of the smolder. I'm gonna go back in with my Morph 217 and get that TBT on it, and that's what I'm gonna use to blend out the black. Oh, see? Yeah, perfect. I thought I was gonna mess it up, but I didn't, because I'm the bomb. There's so many pretty shimmers in here. I have to pick which shimmer I want to pair with this. So I swatched all of the shimmers on my hand. I'm going to put down Vacay in the center of our lid. I put FOMO on top of Vacay. And now I'm gonna go on in the front with Lady Boss. This is pretty. We're finished the top, let's get to the bottom. You know what it is. We gotta bring what we have up top down so that the eye look will be complete. Taking my Morph M504, I'm mixing ILY with TBT, and then we're going to bring it to our lower lash line so that we can finish this baby out. Taking the MAC 217, I'm gonna use it to go in with Goals to blend out this purple under here. So right now I'm using the Lancome Drama Liquid Pencil, and this is in the color, I don't know. I'm putting that in a waterline because it's a nice purple color and it's going to offset this look really, really nicely. I'm gonna put on some mascara, pop on some lashes, and then I will zoom out, finish up the face, and we'll have our final thoughts. We're finishing up the face, setting my contour with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Kit in medium to dark. I'm taking this BH Cosmetics blush brush to go in with NARS Taos. This probably is my all-time favorite blush. It's just so pretty. I'm going to use my Crazy Essentials Rose Water Face Mist. You know the deal. I got a code, 20% off. This can be yours for whatever 20% minus 15 is. While that spray is drying, I am taking my highlight brush and I am going in with my Halux Cosmetics highlighter and trophy wipe. It reminds me of FOMO. That's why I wanted to use it. I have my current lip liner. This is by MAC. I need to step out of my glossy nude box or my matte nude box. Right in the middle, I used Fenty Beauty's Space Suit Galaxy Lip Gloss. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you really like it. I think it came out really cute. I love the gloss of the lips with the eyeshadow. I think it's really nice to bring out the purple that is up here, down here. I kind of tied it all together and I really like that. I usually would go for a glossy nude, but I did something different today, guys. This look is super cute. I wish I wasn't just gonna wipe it off and go to bed. Let's get to the reason why we're all here. The Violet Voss hashtag Pro Palette. Is it worth the $45 that you're going to spend on it? If you like colorful shadows, if you like to do sunset looks, if you like warm neutrals and purples, then yes, this palette will be useful for you. I think for $45 you get a decent amount of product and you get really nice shadows. I'm very surprised. I did not think I was going to like this palette this much. I thought it was going to be like, oh, you know, it's usable, I can do it, it's fine, it's good or whatever, and then that would be it. But it really is nice. Like, they are super blendable. They have really good pigment. I am not mad at this palette at all. The black is, I told you how it's one of the best blacks I've ever used. You just need a little bit to pick up a whole lot of pigment. Like, look at this. Ooh, man, I really like how this whole thing came out. It's really, really cute. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Go buy it. I think this will be a nice addition to your palette collection. If you don't have it already, you can get so many good looks out of this. If I go anywhere in the future, I will be traveling with this palette because I think that I can get a lot of use out of it. If you are in the market for it and if you haven't had your eye on it, you definitely should go and pick it up. And I think that because I like this palette so much, I might go out and get a couple more Violet Voss palettes. That's all I have for this video, guys. That's all I have for this palette. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for watching all the rest of my videos and commenting and being the best audience that a girl could ask for. Make sure you like the video. Make sure to comment if you have any questions. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bells. You can be one of the first few people to know when I upload. Be a part of my notification gang. Bang, bang. I will see you next week.